So coming to the question answers, first we'll write the word meanings given in the book, and then we'll write the question answers given in the comprehension check of page number 89. You have to write all the 3 question answers in your classwork copy, and then coming to page number 93, you have working with the text, and you have to write all the 3 question answers in your classwork copy. Coming to working with language. So the word tip has only 3 letters but have many meanings. The word tip has many meanings. Match the word with its meanings below. So you have to match the words given on the left with the answers given in the right. So let's begin. Fingertips, the end of one's fingers, the tip of your nose, the pointed end of your nose. Tip the water out of the bucket, empty a bucket by tilting it. Have something on the tip of your tongue, be about to say something. Tip the boat over, make the boat overturn. Tip him a rupee, give a rupee to him. The tip of the bat, the end of the bat. The police were tipped off, the police were told or warned. If you take my tip, if you take this advice. And the last, the bat tipped the ball, the bat lightly touched the ball. So the you can say the tip given on the left, the words the meanings are given in the right. So you have to match them accordingly to the meaning. Now coming to the next page, that is 94. The words helper, companion, partner and accomplice have very similar meanings. Okay, but each word is typically used in certain phrases. Can you fill in the blanks below with the most commonly used words? Our dictionary may help you. So helper, companion and partner and accomplice, इन चारों words का meaning एक जैसे ही रहता है, but when it comes to according to the phrases, किन phrases में हम उसको किस word के साथ जोड़ सकते हैं, that differs. So let us take the first one. Business partner. Okay, हमें सिर्फ place करना है कि helper आएगा, companion आएगा, partner आएगा कि accomplice आएगा. Okay, so business partner, this must be known to you. हम business partner बोलते हैं. My dash on the journey. So my companion on the journey. I am mother's little helper. A faithful dash such as dog. So a faithful companion such as a dog. The thief's accomplice. Find a good partner. Tennis, golf, bridge, partner. His dash in his criminal activities. So his accomplice in his criminal activities. Now coming to the next one, third. Now let us look at the uses of the word break. Match the word with its meaning below. Try to find at least 3 other ways in which to use the word. Okay, so now let us break के हमको varieties मिले हैं, and according to these sentences how you is going to try to find at least 3 other ways in which you used to use the word. Now see, the storm broke. So what does it mean? The storm broke means this kind of weather ended. Daybreak. Daybreak means the beginning of daylight. His voice is beginning to break. That means changing as he grows up. इसका मतलब ये कि जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं हमारी वॉइस भी चेंज होती जाती है. So that is the meaning. Her voice broke and she cried. Could not speak, was too sad to speak. Fifth, the heat wave broke. That means it began or burst into activity. Sixth, broke the bad news. Broke the bad news means gently told someone the bad news. Next, breathe a strike. That means end it by making the workers submit. Okay, so now these are the meanings. Okay, if this chapter has been taken as in test, अगर ये chapter test में आता तो हम इसको कैसे questions में form करते हैं? हम यही पूछते कि what is the meaning of the storm broke? So you have to write the meaning. Okay, the questions can be asked in this way. Now, this is the speaking part. When you will come to, when by God's grace we'll have the opportunity to meet in the school, we'll do this activity. Now, coming to writing. See, who do you think Mr. Nath is? Write a paragraph or two about him. What else do you think Nishad and Maya will find out about him? How will they ever be friends? Think about these questions and write a paragraph or two to continue the story. Conducting a survey. Have you ever conducted a survey? Say yes, no, or I don't know. Yes, no, or I don't know. So I would say that conducting a survey, this would be the group task, okay, and this can be taken place only when you are all together in school. So in this writing section, you have to write the answers of these two questions also in your classwork copy, which I'll be sending it to you, this one, okay. On page number 95, you have a writing section, questions, so you have to write these two answers in your classwork copy.